Hello, friends. We are in a whole new month. So, yesterday was November the 30th, and it was our last day of November. So now we're in the month of December. Our star is where our first day of December is. So, let's put the number 1 here. This is where our first day. So, let's look at the day of the week. It is Tuesday, and the month is December. And the date is the 1st. It is the first day of December. Our year is 2020. Now, yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Look, we have so many events happening in December. Down here we have Hanukkah and then Christmas, and then we have Kwanzaa, New Year's Eve, and then the first day of winter. All right, so December, it is the 12th month of the year. There are only 12 months in the year, so our year is about to change. So December is the number 12. It is the first day of November, and the year is 2020. So let's practice writing December. We use a capital letter, just like we did in November. So we use a capital D, E, C, E, M, B, E, R. December. All right. So how many days of December have we had so far? Well, this is the first day, so we've only had 1. So we'll put our Christmas tree in there, and it is only 1. There's only one. There, none of our 10 frames are filled up, so there's no 10s in here just yet. All right. Let's fill in our number 1 here. Number 1, it is an odd number because he doesn't have a bunny. So the number 1 is odd. Okay, let's complete our pattern. We're still going to continue to do counting backwards. So we're starting at 20, counting backwards. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, and 13. Let's make a pattern with our new shapes. So we have a Christmas tree, a Santa Claus, a snowflake, a Christmas ornament, and a Christmas wreath. I'm sure you see all these during our holiday time of Christmas. Okay, let's start with 1. We're going to do a Christmas wreath, Christmas tree, and Santa. Christmas wreath, Christmas tree, and Santa. Christmas wreath, Christmas tree, and Santa. All right, so let's see what kind of pattern this is. So here's A. So that's a B. And this one's different, so it has to be a C. Looky here, we're back at the wreath. And the wreath is an A. The Christmas tree was a B. Santa is C. Christmas wreath is A. Christmas tree is B. And Santa is C. So this is an ABC pattern. Let's circle how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 ABC patterns. Very good job, friends. All right, let's back these out. Oops. All right. Let's add another square here and see how many days of school we've been in. So we have, these are 10s, okay? So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now these are 1s, so we have to count them separately. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Oh my goodness! There are 10 little squares over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means we can exchange these for another rod. So let's put one up here. We have a whole nother rod. Put this down here and take away all these because now we have another rod and we don't have to count these ones. So let's try counting that again with 10s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We've been in school for 60 days. Wow, look at here. We're going to add another circle and we're going to fill up this 10 frame. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. There are 6 groups here of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens makes 60. Wow, friends, we're going to have to add another slash over here. So that means let's go ahead and take these down here. And we're going to add a whole set of tally marks. All right. There we go. Now let's count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. There's 60 tally marks here, friends. Let's move our circle. Oh my goodness. We're at 60. 60 days in school. All right, let's do our fact family. Let's do the number 4. And let's do the number 11. So if Miss Horton gave you 4 pennies, and then I gave you 11 more pennies, you would have 15 pennies. If Miss Horton gave you 11 pennies, and then I gave you 4 more pennies, you would have 15 pennies. Now, if you aren't doing so great, and you know how we lose pennies in school, so if you had those 15 pennies and you didn't do something good, Miss Horton took 4 of those pennies away. You would only have 11 pennies left. Now, if you had those 15 pennies and you did something super, super bad and Miss Horton doesn't like it, Miss Horton's going to take 11 of those pennies. Oh, goodness. You would only have 4 pennies left. It's super, super important to have good behavior. Remember, our fact families, you use 3 different numbers, and we can change it in 4 different ways. All right, comparing our numbers. Okay, so we're comparing the number 26 and 22. So 26 and 22, which number is bigger? The number 26 is bigger. So 26 is greater than 22. 26 is greater than 22. My greater than sign has the arrow pointing toward the right. Very good, friends. All right, remember we're still in the season of fall. That's going to change in the month of December, so look for that video. It's going to be super fun that day. Our temperature, the lower the number it is, the colder it is. But the higher the number, the hotter it is. We will continue to graph when we get back to school. So we have 60 days in school, so 60 cents or 60 pennies. Remember, it takes 100 pennies to make $1. So we added 2 quarters in here to make 50 cents. Now, let's think of a coin that is worth 10 cents. What's the name of that coin that's worth 10 cents? We have a penny, a nickel, a dime, and a quarter. Which one of those are worth 10 cents? Yeah, the dime. The dime is worth 10 cents. So now I have 25 plus 25. That gave me 50. And 50 plus 10 more will give me 60. 60 cents. All right, let's look at our time. Our hour hand is the little hand, and he is facing the number 7. Shape of the day. This is called a star, guys. We love seeing stars in the sky. You probably see some stars on your Christmas tree, too. So this star is yellow. I wonder how many sides this star has. I bet it has a bunch. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, this star has 10 sides. Wow. Let's see how many vertices it has. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, it has 5 vertices. That's 5 points. 5 vertices. Very good, friends. All right, I can't wait for you to be back at school. We are in the new month of December, and I hope you have a fantastic day doing the rest of your work. See you soon.